Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to remove Powered by Shopify. Okay, first things first, go to your Shopify dashboard and access your online store. Click on Online Store and then go to Themes. Click on the three red dots next to your theme and select Edit Default Theme Content. In the editor, search for Powered By. You'll find the Powered by Shopify link. To remove this link, simply add a space in place of the link text and click Save. The link will then appear as an empty space in your store. Go back to your store and you'll see that the Powered by Shopify link is no longer visible. It has been replaced by an empty space. If the above method doesn't work for your theme, you can also remove the link by editing the code. Go to Edit Code in your theme settings. Find the footer.liquid file under the Sections section. Locate the code for the Powered by Shopify link and erase it. Click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Hope that helps in solving your problem. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now remove Powered by Shopify. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.